Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage keyword research with a SEMrush. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open a SEMrush and log into your account. Navigate to the keyword research tool in the main dashboard. Select keyword overview from the drop-down menu. Enter a seed keyword relevant to your niche in the search bar. Click the search button. Review the overview section for essential metrics like search volume and keyword difficulty. Scroll down to the keyword variance section to find related keywords. Analyze the list to identify long-tail keywords that may have lower competition. Click on any keyword for a detailed overview. Take note of the trend graphs to understand seasonal fluctuations. Next, go to the Keyword Magic tool. Input your seed keyword again and press search. Examine the extensive list of related keywords generated. Use filters to refine results based on metrics like search volume and competition level. Create groups for keywords that fit similar themes or topics. Select keywords that align with your content strategy and target audience. Add these keywords to your keyword manager for easier tracking. Utilize the position tracking tool to monitor your ranking for selected keywords. Periodically revisit your keyword list to adjust based on performance data. Join the community forum or read SEMrush articles for ongoing tips and updates. Stay informed about keyword trends to refine your strategy continuously. Keep your research organized to maximize your SEO efforts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.